My name is Hussain Javed and you're watching my channel Education Muscle. We are discussing trigonometry. Today we have a new topic of trigonometry, that is a proof. Prove that pi radian is equal to 180 degree. We know that circumference of the circle C is equal to 2 pi radius. First of all, you have to know that what is circumference. Basically, the circumference is the boundary of the circle. This is the circle and this is the boundary of the circle. This boundary of the circle is known as circumference. We also know that the circumference is a complete rotation. One complete rotation is the circumference. We will replace it with complete rotation. Complete rotation. Circumference is the complete rotation of the circle is equal to 2 pi, and you have to know that therefore you have to know that 1 radian is equal to the radius. This is a very important point you have to keep in your mind. 1 radian is equal to the radius. Then we'll replace the radius with radian. And we know that complete rotation of the circle means 360 degree is equal to 2 pi radian. And we have to divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. Radian. And we have to know that 2 cancel with 2. And 360 divided by 2, we get 180 degree is equal to pi radian. You can write it like this as well. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Proved. That is a very simple proof. This is proved pi radian is equal to 180 degree. If you have any question, write in the comment section below or send me an email mentioned in the description. If you like the video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos.